Hi. In this video, we will compare Mangools and SEO Powersuite. Mangools is a set of easy-to-use search engine optimization tools for freelancers, bloggers, affiliate marketers, small to medium enterprises, SEO and marketing agencies. Its key features, like keyword research, competitor analysis, SERP analysis, and others, help extract key data from all tools. Keyword Finder is the primary Mangools tool and the most used. It provides metrics on rankings, search volume, CPC, PPC, keyword difficulty, and more. The Search Engine Results Page Checker tool shows the results that a searcher will see for a particular keyword. Also, it examines how you would rank for the same keyword suggestions. Search Engine Results Page Watcher is a Mangools rank tracking tool. It monitors your search engine results page ranking for the given keywords. This tool provides information on your rank, how the keyword is trending, estimated traffic, search volume, and other performance indexes. Mangools Link Miner tool allows for backlink analysis of your page and your competitors and identification of link building opportunities. It provides site profiler backlink results, pointing to the domain or URL that you enter. Site Profiler provides an SEO profile of a website based on its popularity on Facebook and backlink strength. It offers extra insight, such as the top content of a competitor's website, which can help generate ideas for your site. Mangools offers a free plan forever, and paid plans start at $19 per month. On the other hand, SEO Powersuite is an SEO tracking solution that helps businesses of all sizes conduct keyword research, monitor ranking, analyze backlinks, and more on a centralized platform. You can analyze your organic search competition with a comprehensive SERP checker. Check for accurate rankings in local searches and on Google Maps. Use the YouTube Rank Tracker tool to check your video's rank. You can also use Google Rank Tracker, a free SEO tool, to check Google rankings. With the Keyword Research tool, you can find millions of keyword suggestions with Rank Tracker. With a keyword difficulty checker, pick your best SEO keywords to enter the top 10 results. You can analyze the backlinks of your website hands down with SEO Spyglass. See how your backlinks changed with backlink history data, like track developments, see spikes and falls, and check any dates, research competitors. The Website Auditor SEO Spider tool includes everything one can ask of crawling software. Putting hundreds of pages through Google's PageSpeed Insights one by one is a pain. Now there's a tool to automatically check and combine the crucial Core Web Vitals data for your website in one place. SEO Powersuite offers a free plan forever, and paid plans start at $199 per year. If you want to use both Mangools and SEO Powersuite for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.